Looking for a stylish, durable, high-performance, and budget-friendly watch? You're in the right place. Naviforce has become a reliable brand for men who want functionality, fashion, and affordability all in one timepiece. Whether you're into bold chronographs, minimalist designs, or multifunction watches, there is a perfect match waiting for your wrist. But there are so many models. Choosing the right one can be challenging for you. In this video, we will break down the top 5 best Naviforce watches based on performance, design, durability, and real user satisfaction. Check the links in the description to find your favorite one. The 5th product on our list is Naviforce NF9242. This Naviforce NF9242 digital multifunction sports watch is the best budget-friendly and travel-ready timepiece that you can grab. It's built for those who want more than just the time with an affordable price. It's packed with a 6-digit timekeeping function, one 100th second stopwatch, and split timing feature. It's perfect for workouts, daily routines, or travel adventures. You also get full calendar tracking with 12 24-hour format, day, date, and month display all at a glance. It doesn't stop there. You'll love the built-in hourly chime, alarm clock with snooze function, and the bright white LED backlight that makes it easy to check the time even at night. Whether you're catching a flight or setting early alarms, it will be perfect for you. This Naviforce model is designed to be durable and water-resistant up to 3 ATM. It's safe from rain, splashes, and hand washing. That means you can wear it worry-free in your everyday hustle or while on the go. Moreover, you will get the 1-year after-sales service. If anything goes wrong, just reach out and you'll get a quick, satisfying solution. Looking for an affordable, all-in-one digital watch which keeps up with your active lifestyle? This Naviforce NF9242 may be the smartest option for you. The 4th place on our list is Naviforce NF8025. The Naviforce NF8052 watch is the eye-catching and function-packed sports watches you can wear. It's designed for those who want style, precision, and durability in one stunning timepiece. With its sleek barrel-shaped case and cutting-edge skeleton dial, this watch redefines sporty elegance. The 3 chronograph subdials give you stopwatch precision for seconds, minutes, and even 1/10 second tracking. It's not just functional, it's a statement on your wrist. You'll enjoy the luminous hands and scale markers that make it easy to read the time even in total darkness. The frosted watch case paired with a transparent curved glass dial doesn't just look premium, it reduces glare and improves readability in any light. Also, this model is crafted with an ultra-soft, eco-friendly silicone strap. Made using gas phase glue curing tech, it feels incredibly comfortable all day long. It's built to last with hardened mineral glass and environmentally conscious ionized plating. It has 3 ATM water resistant, meaning it can handle rain, splashes, and hand washing with ease. Just avoid full submersion like swimming or showering. Whether you're gifting it or keeping it, the NF8052 stands out. It's perfect for casual days, formal events, or active weekends. And yes, users often say they get compliments the moment they wear it. Looking to elevate your wrist game with a truly unique and modern sports watch? The Naviforce NF8052 watch can be a perfect choice. The 3rd product on our list is the Naviforce NF9197L. This Naviforce NF9197L multifunction wristwatch is one of the most precision-built and value-packed timepieces that you can buy. It will be perfect for those watch lovers who want style, accuracy, flexibility, and versatility. At its core, you'll find a Japanese imported quartz analog movement that guarantees precise timekeeping and long-term reliability. Whether you're heading to work or out for the weekend, this watch keeps you perfectly on schedule. The sleek dial offers a clean yet luxurious look, and it's loaded with features: week, date, time display, chronograph stopwatch, LED backlight, and more. Also, the 10-digit digital display lets you track hour, minute, second, day, month, and week. You can switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats depending on your preference. You'll love the alarm with snooze and hourly chime functions, especially for early mornings or busy days. The 1 to 100 second stopwatch with split timing is ideal for workouts, travel, or daily tracking. It's built with anti-scratch mineral glass, a fade-resistant vacuum-plated case, and a soft, genuine leather strap. It feels just as good as it looks. And with 30-meter water resistance, you're covered for hand washing, light rain, or accidental splashes. Do you want a feature-rich, stylish watch that offers precision and premium feel at an affordable price? This Naviforce NF9197L might be the ideal timepiece for you. The second product on our list is the Naviforce NF9110. This Naviforce NF9110 military waterproof watch is one of the most premium and rugged timepieces you can wear with confidence. It's the perfect fusion of sporty functionality and casual fashion that is made to match your everyday style, whether you're rocking jeans, a t-shirt, or even a sharp suit. At its core, it features a Japanese original quartz movement that delivers pinpoint time accuracy, powered by a high-performance imported battery that lasts over 3 years. You get reliability you can count on every day. The big face design isn't just for looks. It houses 3 subdials that display the day, date, and 12-hour 24-hour format, along with luminous hands so you can read time clearly even in the dark. It's shock-resistant and water-resistant up to 3 ATM, perfect for hand washing, rain, or light splashes. This watch is crafted with hardened glass for scratch resistance and paired with a 250mm genuine leather strap. It feels as good as it looks. The alloy case and pin buckle clasp add both strength and professionalism. Looking for a premium watch that's tough, stylish, and built to last? This Naviforce NF9110 model brings durability, design, and function all in one bold package. Whether you're heading outdoors or dressing up for the night, this might just be the best timepiece upgrade for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Naviforce NF9117. This Naviforce NF9117 can be the best overall luxury men's sports watch. It is built to handle your busy lifestyle and outdoor adventures. Also, this watch combines amazing durability with head-turning style. With a strong stainless steel case and scratch-resistant mineral glass, it's ready for any travels or just a day out in the city. The genuine leather strap keeps it comfortable on your wrist. Moreover, the adjustable pin buckle makes it easy to wear all day long. A reliable Japanese quartz movement powers it, so it gives you precise timekeeping and an analog auto date display so you're always on schedule. Even in low light, the luminous hands keep you on track. Plus, it's 30-meter waterproof, perfect for rain, splashes, or outdoor activities, just not for swimming or diving. You'll love the gold-plated alloy case and high light fastness finish. Thus, it looks premium no matter where you go. Whether it's business, casual, or adventure time, this watch fits in perfectly. And yes, it is a perfect choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just treating yourself. With Naviforce, you get style and reliability, all in one watch that's ready for the outdoors and beyond. Looking for a watch that suits your lifestyle with regard to flexibility? This Naviforce NF9117 could be the best wristwear collection for you. That's all for our list of the top 5 best Naviforce watches on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.